god. I'm appreciating my outfit. It's sexy. Hi, Mama Sia. Hi, thank you so much. Last time you gave me 10 out 20, but now only 10. I hope
Gilis
others
po
will
na ako
give
na
too.
Yung may ma-download be.
Ayaw, tara na.
Na, daan na ra, di mo na
How about the
matuplot.
others? You can send support by that. Just like Mehmet
Daga na lang
Sia
ko
did.
akuan.
I hope
Na lang makuha na kung manok ng
you also help me. Ayaw, magtituro ba?
Dili
Oh,
mo
my son is
signal ko.
disturbing me. When I go live, she always talking to me.
Na, mag-delete
Look,
lagi.
what's this? It's just a mental. When I can't sleep, I will put some here in part of it. So I feel like
Gusto ko i-delete
cool.
ani.
You have this in your place.
Ano,
Sometimes
mag-download.
in especially in morning 3 a.m. when I wake up, I go to pee and I can sleep back. I use this put in massage here and massage so I can sleep easily. And sometimes when I feel anxiety, I can't hardly breathe. I don't whether aunt my acid reflux will go when it's cause my heartburn so I can hardly breathe
Usually,
at that time. So I
so
use this one
install
to relieve
manok
that.
na tuloy.
So I feel like it's cold
Ma,
and this is just mental.
ma,
Hi, how about the
ma.
others? How about Benjamin? You can send super chat,
Kung sa
super thanks
kukuhan
here
sa
in my life. Oh,
sitting.
sarang oh my god, look my son.
Kukuhan kong sitting gani kay mag-iris ko.
Buksan mo.
Iris na ko ng
Papasukin
Roblox.
ako. Ah. I need to have live so everybody notice me that I'm still here. Sometimes when at night time, I feel like I'm tired, so I can't go for live because I don't have my concentration, my mood. Also, I sleep earlier, and because I'm trying to uh, everything cleaning in the house, laundry, and prepare food for my son and my mother. My mother is 79 years
Very
old.
stupid.
Sometimes she can able to cook because she feels like pain in her body. So I am a caregiver of my mother and my son.
Ma, nasugot na
Where
pong
are you
sakit
guys?
anis kay nadugay man.
Wala ka ng toothbrush.
Di,
Toothbrush ito.
hmm?
I'm talking to myself. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Thank you, Mehmet Sia. Shout out.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. The views.
What else? Just looking for a while, guys. Is it blurred? Comment, guys, if my video is blurred. Something like what? Oh, hi, thank you again. What's this? What's this? Okay. I thought it's not, but it's. How about the others? Can you buy some super chat super thanks like Mehmet Sia de do? Why you always appear? Hi, push.